I just told me, yeah, we gon' be straight. He saw me make $1 million off one damn play.
Short sellers out there that have been borrowing stock they didn't have. In other words, yes, I think there are dynamics
shorts,
where
yeah.
retail investors can get caught, but it's really a dynamic where I think this is going after bad companies.
So just to recap, naked short selling is the selling of stocks that they do not own, okay? That's an illegal activity, and that's what they're doing with AMC right now. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Before we hop into the video, I will be doing a challenge where I turn $700 into 100K with AMC, so make sure you stick along. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay quick video on what's going on with the AMC stock right now, okay? So we've been hearing that there's been some manipulation and that the stock has been experiencing some naked shorting. So in this video, I'm going to explain what naked shorts are and how that pertains to AMC, okay? So first, let's break down what shorting a stock means, okay? So when a regular investor wants to buy the stock and they want to go long, they want the stock to go upwards in price, okay? They want the stock price to go up. Okay, so when someone is shorting a stock, they want to do the exact opposite and they want to see the stock price go down, right? So how do they do that? Okay, so when a regular investor wants the stock to go long, they buy the stock low at a low price and they sell it when it gets higher. The opposite happens, or there's kind of a switch when someone is going short. Okay, so they're selling high and then they're buying back those shares low. So you may be wondering, how does that happen, right? So how does someone sell shares that they don't have? What they have to do that is they have to borrow the stock from their brokerage, right? This requires a margin account where it's basically borrowing money to execute certain trades, right? So that's how they sell at a high price and they buy back in at a lower price, right? So they're doing that exchange to gain the profits from that. And that's how they're going about that. But with the naked shorts, what's happening is they aren't making sure that they're not making sure that they have borrowed the stocks, right? They're just selling stocks that they have not fully determined that are there yet, right? So it's some manipulation going on there, and it kind of shows us that, you know, they are using their big money to, you know, have things play out the way that they want it to, all right, guys? So we have to stay safe out there, and that's just a little bit about that. So another thing to keep in mind is that short sellers have an infinite amount that they can lose, right? So think about it this way. So when you're going long on a stock, you want the stock to go up, and there's an infinite amount of money that you can gain or profit from that stock. The opposite is with short selling. Short selling, they can lose an infinite amount, right? So they're playing a tricky game there. They're, you know, using their big money. They're trying to leverage not having to use all of their money because they're borrowing stocks or capital, you know, an asset from the brokerage account. So there's a high risk and there's a high reward that they can gain if the stock actually goes down, right? So that's why a lot of these hedge funds and big investors are losing lots of money, billions of dollars, because there's an infinite amount of. So just to recap, naked short selling is the selling of stocks that they do not own, okay? That's an illegal activity, and that's what they're doing with AMC right now.
I just told me, yeah, we gon' be straight. He saw me make $1 million off one damn play.